Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you some fun goodies that I picked up from the Chanel Summer 2024 makeup collection. Here is the box that it came in. Now, full disclosure, I tried some of these products today. In fact, I'm wearing some on my face, and so we can talk a little bit about what my early thoughts on them are, but also just share what I picked up from this collection. I feel like Chanel Cosmetics has really been upping their game. The whole Comet Collective has been doing an amazing job just making like more pigmented, better formulation, higher quality products. Like within the last year, I've been way more happy with a lot of my Chanel purchases than I have in the past, and I've always been a sucker for Chanel purchases, cosmetics specifically, but I just feel like they've been really good lately. Okay, so starting with, when you place your order online, in addition to this packaging, you get little samples in this cute little bag. It's like a little cloth bag that says Chanel. These are really helpful for travel and like sorting items too. I picked, I was feeling really generous. So I picked Allure Homme Sport and Bleu de Chanel little samples for my husband. How thoughtful of me. I have a lot of samples of like different perfumes and different makeup items already. And so I was probably thinking, Maddie, you do not need any more items. Sorry, I just got a text message. Okay, not important. You guys, I'll get it together, I promise. Okay, so in this collection, I bought one bottle of nail polish. I actually really wanted to get the green nail polish because it reminded me of like the Charlie XCX Brat Summer, but I don't really know if I'm like that cool. So I got one that you guys will think is like very me. It is like this pink pearlescent color. Right now my nails are naked. I'm on a journey right now with no gel nails. This, ooh, this is a French name. I think it's Song de Tête. I think it's de Tête. It's really pretty though. It's a Song of the Spring, I think is what it means. Really cute. Okay, so that was the first item. I haven't tried this one out yet. Okay, then I got 3 of these little, what are they called? Eyeshadow liner. I got the colors Celestial Pink, Atia, and Dream Leaf. Dream Leaf is that green color. I saw like some really cool like under eye or like inner corner liner type ways to style it. It's not like full, you know, 80s ladies liner. But let me just swatch these on the back of my hand for you. The pink one I'm actually wearing on my eyes right now. It's like a very subtle, like iridescent, sort of peachy pink. Okay, I feel like I should put a little bit more of the green one. It's like really smooth. They're all really smooth, really glittery, like cool for summer. The one in the middle I feel like will be a really good fall color. Is this focusing? So those are those. You can see the pink one's really subtle, and I have it on right now. I'm a little shiny, but not bad. Okay. Recycling. This next item, actually, this isn't from the new summer collection. This is just an item that I wanted. This is the gloss in Icing, and it's just like a really pretty pink color. I saw it on one of the makeup looks they did with the summer looks. The model had this on. I was like, oh, that's just like a really nice, clear, basic sort of gloss color. Okay, and then the next 2 items I got both of these Jardin Imaginaire. These are like a blush highlighter combo duo. This one's light and berry. So it comes in like the little pouch here. This is the one that I'm wearing today. So you can see, you can also see I've already used it. But it's just like, here, let me try and clean that up for you. This really pretty sort of berry and iridescent pink color. Let me see if I can. good pigment on the blush and like very smooth on the highlighter and subtle too. It's not like, it's not crazy crazy. So you can see here's the blush and then there's the highlighter. I'm not sure if that's coming through. Oh, there it is. It's like, it kind of reminds me of the Olive and June Goldfish nail polish color, if that makes sense. All right, and then I also got it in gold and peach, and I haven't tried this one yet, but I will swatch it. Little velvet pouch. I think this one, while I really like the one that I'm wearing because I'm a pink girl, I think that this one technically is actually better for my skin tone because I have like a warm, I'm like an autumn, warm autumn. So I think this one will look really striking on me. And it also, it has the gold highlight. Oh, let me flip this around. Wipe it on the tissue. So then you can see here. Maybe let me turn this light, hold on. It'll get a little darker for a second, but then you might be able to see the color more. So there's the gold highlight and then there's that kind of orangey color. So you can imagine like for fall, you're wearing like navy blue or a tan. It would like really like make my eyes pop versus, I mean, right now I'm like wearing pink, full pink makeup. You probably can't tell as much that I am actually an autumn versus a spring, but sometimes I can interlope as a spring. It's a spring color palette, like if I do my makeup right and don't allow any, you know, browns near me, I can kind of fake it till I make it. But anyway, those are the things that I picked up. It's so, I really wish, I hope it's showing up on camera because these blush colors are so pretty. The eyeshadows are really pretty too. Well, I guess they're more like liners, but honestly, this pink one, I used it as an eyeshadow. I just put it all over the lid. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so if you grabbed anything from this collection, let me know. I actually think I might grab another, like some more of these. They're just like easy, swipe it on, go move on with your day, like super good look. This one is probably the best buy though out of everything. Anyway, I hope you're all having a really great day. I hope this was fun for you and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye.